Hello friends, my name is Mehek. Welcome to part 2. In the picnic, we are in the picnic. Now we get our food. It's our food we will have for the picnic. It's the things that we are using to cut the fruits and vegetables. Let's play. Now let's start with the plates. Okay, let's put it here. It's a basket. We can put many fruits in here. There is plates. Many plates. Green, red. There's 2 plates. There is a fork and knife. It's the chopper board to cut it. And cups for to drink something. 2 cups. 1, 2. And kids, what? I brought candies for you. Yum! Yay! Put the candies over here. And the fruits and these stuff. Oops, I filled the cups. That's okay. We can fix it. First, let's start with the burger. I brought burger for the kids. Yum, 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 yum. Here is 1. Let's use the couplet. 2, 3 plates. 3 plates. Knife and fork. And the candies. We can't get all the candies. The basket. Let's start putting the burger. The burger can go over here. It smells delicious. Great. Put the banana in the basket. Let's put there. Okay. And a raspberry. What I'm saying? It's a grape. 2 grapes. It's Barbie grape. It's green grape. Let's put the guava. And let's put the broccoli on this plate. But put the plates over there, that it's gonna be easy to cut. Let's start cutting the fruits. And here is the basket full of fruits. Okay, now let's start with the grape. Wow, the grape is Looking great. Now the guava. Guava is a yummy fruit. I love this fruit. Now let's cut the banana. Yes. Ha. Now the grapes. Okay. Now let's start cutting the broccoli. We are done cutting the broccoli. Now let's cut this fruit. Then we are cutting the fruit. We are done cutting the fruit. And this table. Let's put the chopper book there. And here is many fruits. Oh, my puppy is not giving me space for the food. That's okay. Many space to put the food. Put the fork and fork over here. Many foods, you can have it. Let's get our basket and put our foods inside, that it will be easy to eat. Here. And then this. Let's start eating the yummy foods. Everyone can have some. Let's have some. First, Blue can taste it. That's delicious. Here is the fruits that I cut. Everyone finish the foods. Now let's start with our broccoli. Bluey, you already eat one. Okay, how about... Oh, we have another piece. Okay. That was delicious. You are a big eater. You finished again. But that's okay. We have another piece. The kids can have it. That was delicious. The plates are empty. Everybody eat them. Let's put it in the basket. Small. Yay! Give them. Everybody can taste. Oh, Yolo is very hungry because Bluey eat all of them. That was delicious. Great. There is another piece that's not wrong. That's no more wrong. It was delicious. And butter can help everyone. There is one more banana slice. It can have orange, mini, and pinky. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. That was yummy. Let's eat them first. It's going to be night. Yum 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 yum. Okay. Now let's start eating. Another piece. That was delicious. The last fruit is grape. The grape is done. I want more. Me too. Me too. There's one more slice. Let's have this one. Yes. Yummy. Oh, you're done. Candy. Oh, I almost got the candies. Okay, Bluey, here's one. Here's yours. Here's yours. Here's yours. Here's yours. Here's yours. And Doggy, you also have one. But Doggy, you are a dog. You can't eat any candy. Again you. Then you. Then you. You can have this. Then you. Then you. Then you. Oh, Doggy really wants some. Okay, fine. Doggy can have some. Doggy have two. The candies are done. Let me start eating. Let's try the next one. I think it's lemon. That was lemon. Really, I have a lemon one too. It's blueberry. I have a blue one. That was blueberry. Let's try this one. That was like kiwi. Wow, mine is pink. It's like blueberry. Let me try my strawberry one. That was like grape. Wow, grape, my favorite fruit. Now my turn. Wow, what is that? Woof woof. Woof woof. That's the end. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I will give more videos like picnic, many or videos. Please like and subscribe. Bye. See you soon.